what is the right time to shift towards prelims preparation? वो कौन सा महीना है, वो कौन सा टाइम है जब आपका प्रीलिम्स का प्रिपरेशन शुड बी योर मेन फोकस एंड नॉट एनीथिंग एल्स. This is a common question I'm asked, and it is not an easy question to answer because what time you will transit towards prelims, it depends on what is your preparation, your command on the core subjects. It depends on what is your memorization level and whether you have already cleared prelims or not. Having said this, एक चीज क्लियर है that prelims MCQ practice, prelims PYQ answer centric preparation, prelims revision should not start later than January or February. Maximum you should start from Feb because you need about 3 to 4 months to prepare for the prelims. Now, those who are in control of their content in prelims, which is memorization, notes making, reference books reading, तो ठीक है, you can start by February or January. But then, many of you have not controlled yet the content for the prelims. आपको किताबें पढ़नी है, आपको रिवीजन करना अपने नोट्स का, आपको याद भी करना है कंटेंट. If you have not done all of this, then I think you must start for prelims right from September or October. Essentially, your prelims preparation के दो parts हैं. One part is which is notes consolidation, which is memorization of whatever you have written, whatever you have consolidated. And a second part is preparation through the questions, which is intense test series. ये जो question based practice है, this can start from Feb. लेकिन all depends on whether your core content, जो आपका geography, polity, economy, environment, science, technology, history portions, अगर ये आपने कंट्रोल नहीं किया ठीक से, then you are in trouble. Common mistake people are doing is starting from September or August onwards, they get into mains preparation, which is right strategy. आपको मेंस के पढ़ना चाहिए. But what happens? आप मेंस का टेस्ट सीरीज ज्वाइन कर लेते हो, आप लोग मेंस के मेंटरशिप ज्वाइन कर लेते हो, and rather than consolidating the content, you actually are tracking yourself towards आंसर राइटिंग और आपसे आंसर राइटिंग हो नहीं पाता है. Even now I find students are still in that mains test series, but their core content is not in control. So my suggestion, October हो चुका है, you must quickly jump into consolidation of the notes. It doesn't matter what type of test series you have joined. आप उससे निकल कर आप फोकस करें to memorize the content and at least focus on economy, geography, environment, modern India and polity. ये अगर आपने कंट्रोल कर लिया by December, January, then your prelims centric preparation starting from Jan Feb can be more meaningful. Please do not mess up your preparation. 26 का attempt, do it properly and join my Telegram channel Shabbir Educami for IAS, where I guide you in preparation for the core content and its memorization.